Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand refrigerator freezer and you're getting an H alarm or a HI high alarm, or the more obvious one, it actually will say high temp, and you're trying to figure out what this is, why you're getting it. So as you might expect, the high or high temp, the H, it's when the temperature is too high in the refrigerator or the freezer, and so the refrigerator and freezer will give you an alarm to let you know, hey, something's wrong here. And so basically, if the freezer gets above 26 degrees Fahrenheit, or if the refrigerator gets above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, it will give you this alarm. Now, the most common reason that this is going to happen is just you left the door open and it got too warm in there. And all you need to do to get rid of it is just to close the door and let it cool down. You also might have just kind of overloaded it with warm things. And it's just having trouble getting cooled down. And there's nothing you really need to do. Just keep the door closed and let it do its thing, and it will eventually get cooled down. It's just letting you know that the temperature is too high. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.